In this video, we will take a look at the drive modes, the drive mode switch, and how to customize your drive modes in the Porsche Macan Electric.
Check it out.
Thanks to the drive mode switch, you can easily change the drive mode without having to call it up on the PCM, which provides an even sharper driver focus. The Macan Electric can have up to 4 drive modes. Normal is for comfortable everyday driving and maximum efficiency. Sport is for dynamic driving with more focus on performance. Sport Plus is when you really want to go for maximum dynamics and performance. Though keep in mind that this drive mode is only available with the optional Sport Chrono package. Off-road is when you go off the beaten path. Let me show you how this works. The drive mode switch is located here on the right side of the steering wheel and is part of the basic vehicle configuration of the Macan Electric. The moment I turn the switch, the drive mode selection jumps into the right tube. You'll notice that as soon as I turn the switch, the drive mode selection pops up on the PCM in case I want to make any quick adjustments. For example, when switching to the normal mode, the pop-up gives you the opportunity to quickly extend the spoiler. Keep in mind that this adjustment is only temporary. The next time you switch back to that drive mode, the spoiler will be retracted. And speaking of adjustments, further customization options can be found in the PCM. For that, simply go to the drive menu. For example, I switch to the sport mode and change the level to low. Note that these changes will not be saved, and the next time you switch back to that drive mode, the changes will be lost. To save the adjustments permanently, tap on the check mark. You can always change them back at any time or even reset all drive modes back to factory settings. As you can see, you can easily adapt the drive modes to suit your driving style. The only drive mode that cannot be modified permanently is the normal drive mode. Also, you may have noticed that the individual drive mode is no longer displayed in the options. This is because it has been integrated into the other drive modes and is no longer necessary. Now you know how the drive mode switch works and how to customize your drive modes. Enjoy driving your Porsche and see you in the next video.